We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show how you can share this MIBAO D100 IP camera with others in the app that is IPC360. So first you will need to open the IPC360 app here, then select the devices section, find the camera you would like to share, then tap at the share button or share option here. Next, tap at this plus icon. In this field, input the email address, the account name of the user you would like to share your camera with. So let me quickly enter the email address away from the camera, just to expedite this process. Now, once the email address is inputted, make sure that it's correct, of course. Then tap at the OK button, and the camera has been shared successfully. Now, let's open the account we have shared this camera with. Here, just update the page, and it should appear in here. Yep, here it is. Now you can just open this camera and, well, use it or look at it. See what things it shows. As you can see, it works just fine. I mean, the delay is there, but what can you do? Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.